Hey guys, Rocky again. Welcome back to yet another one, a quick unboxing video. So I wasn't expecting this one for at least another week, but sometimes things arrive sooner than expected. Chop. Oh. Have a quick look here. Quite well packed. Oh. Oh, some free kitchen roll. Oh, that's quite well packed. Quite like the fact is I had to build the box for it. So if you've been following my videos, you know what this will be. Boom! Badoom! Jump cut. This is the Alien 3 Cheetah character action joystick. Couldn't get a boxed one, so again it's the 9-pin, not the NES one. So fire button there, fire button there. So this will go with the Terminator one and the Batman one, which is up there. So again, you're just, so there's one more in the set, Bart Simpson. I did notice a few weeks ago there was, oh, that's a bit sticky, a few on for sale in Germany that were still boxed, pretty much new. This is mine. Jesus guys, just clean stuff before you sell it, honestly. So Alien 1992, so this will be based off Alien 3, I suppose. Maybe Aliens? Alien 3, yeah. So then we've got that one, and Batman. So one more to get. There you go guys, that was just a really quick look at the Alien 3 Cheetah character action joystick. Hope you enjoyed this video. Catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.